how to easily get Spotify Premium with Fampay. So right now I'm currently using my laptop, but if you're currently using from the app on your mobile phone, the process is actually the same. So all you have to do is just go directly to Spotify.com via this website or through your app and just head directly to Premium. And here you will be given out a specific plans for the recommendations. But if you don't want the premium individual, then you can go ahead and check out all others plans that Spotify is offering us. So what you want to do from here is, say for example, you'd like to get the premium individual. So just go ahead and click on get premium individual, and you will now then be redirected to the logged in page. So you just have to log in using your email or username and then your password. Once you have successfully logged in, it will automatically be redirected you out to the payment method, and you'll just have to change it to FanPay, and there you go. So that's how you easily get Spotify Premium with FanPay.